Here, and then you're going to go up and kind of drop it. Think about dropping the toxins that came from underneath the jawline over through the jowls, and I'm going to drop it here at my cheekbone. Okay, 6 times. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Other side, around the bottom. Come up, bring that tissue and drop it. Yep. 2 and 3. Now stay on that side and you're going to do an L. You're going to take it from the jowl back to the jaw, up to the bottom of the temple. A little bit higher. Yep, the bottom of the temple. Yep. So you're going to go from here, you're going to pull it and then pull it up and drop it at the bottom of the temple. Beautiful. And that's 3. Oh, that's 2. That's 3. Oh, you're okay. You're going a little bit higher. Let's stay at the bottom of the jaw. Jaw back and up. Okay. Now you're on your right side. So let's do the other side. And then we're going to do this 6 times. So stay right at the jaw line, over the jowl, to the back, and then up to the temple. I'd like to see that a little bit lower. Okay. Flatten it. Flatten it. Pull it back and then go up. Beautiful. That's 6 times.